that's like the special room where you don't like, you're not like the best kid, but you're not really bad. You're just not at grade level standard. No. That's chicken?
I can get a frying pan.
Thomas, no, I'm not using a frying pan. I'm putting it in hot water.
Hot water?
Gosh dang it, I need to get used to the new keyboard.
Sissy.
No, I've got hot water ready. Hey, do not touch because it's meat. And meat is not supposed to be touched. And then used to be.
I don't know what it is with my typing skills, but I always like, especially when I do the T, whether I do Thomas or thanks, I have like, the H is always capital too.
Okay, stop. Let me do it. So, it's kind of getting really hard when you're trying to help me because I'm not.
Oh, maybe I can actually open this now. I hope so.
Thomas. Oh wait, never mind. Here.
Sweet.
Huh.
What good is that?
Sissy, I can actually.
Getty, come here. Let me know if you recognize this kid.
Greta?
Freaky toes. Got your extra
Brenna's
toes.
first birthday party in July.
Oh, do I get to go?
What
It's
game?
at this parade
What
park
game?
in Bellevue.
Do we
So we're praying for lots of sunshine. Dude, what are you tripping over?